Crystal Brands Sunflower Lecithin is an excellent alternative to soy lecithin, especially for those with soy allergies. Sunflower lecithin is a multi-use product with a number of health benefits, but as an emulsifier and preservative, it is an important additive in the food industry. Sunflowers have many beneficial uses. They offer a great source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant and helps to keep your skin and eyes in good health, as well as your immune system. In addition to vitamin E, sunflowers contain vitamins A and B, protein, iron, calcium, and nitrogen. One of its greatest attributes is that it is an excellent source of lecithin. The word lecithin originated from the Greek lekithos, referring to egg yolk. Lecithin was discovered in 1805 by the French scientist Maurice Goblet. At the time, it was proposed for use in treating liver ailments, hypercholesterolemia, and neurologic diseases. However, it is now actively used in the food industry. Sunflower lecithin is made from sunflower oil. The oil is squeezed from the seeds and then cleaned. The oil is then mixed with an alcohol, a chemical called phosphatidylcholine that are extracted from plant cells is added. This mixture is then put into tanks and stirred for about 48 hours. The mixture is then heated to 90 degrees Celsius to make sure all the alcohol evaporates. The lecithin is then filtered and dried. The result is a yellow-brownish powder that is packaged for you to use. Lecithin is a common compound found in cells of all living organisms, as its presence is required for proper biological function. Lecithin is used for its emulsifying properties in the food, pharmaceutical, and cosmetic industries. Emulsion means combining ingredients that do not combine easily, such as oil and water. Proposed pharmacological use of lecithin includes treatment for hypercholesterolemia, neurologic disorders, manic disorders, and liver ailments. It has also been used to modify the immune system by activating specific and non-specific defense systems. However, no quality clinical trials exist to support lecithin's use for these indications. Cooking and baking with soy lecithin provides several beneficial nutrients, such as essential fatty acid, linoleic acid, choline, and inositol. Both choline and inositol are essential components of cell membranes that contribute to cell growth and function. In cooking, here are a few of the amazing things a little bit of sunflower lecithin can do. Lecithin is a natural preservative, an emulsifier, and helps bind foods together. Lecithin helps stabilize mixtures, such as dressings. Lecithin can be used with foods of any temperature. Lecithin starts working right away. Lecithin can replace certain fats in recipes. Here is a nice surprise: you can replace eggs with sunflower lecithin in 2 ways. To make 1 egg, combine 1/2 tablespoons lecithin powder with 1/2 tablespoons water and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Another alternative to replace eggs is to add 1 tablespoon, 14 grams, of sunflower lecithin powder to your recipe. This replaces 1 egg. Sunflower lecithin stabilizes emulsions such as dressings and other liquids by holding ingredients together. For example, when making a vinaigrette dressing, oil and vinegar do not mix well because their molecular structure repels each other. That is why you must shake up vinaigrettes before using them. Adding soy lecithin to your vinaigrette recipe stabilizes the recipe by holding the oil and vinegar together. Sunflower lecithin works wonders as a dough conditioner too. It acts as an emulsifier for your baked goods. When baking dough, using sunflower lecithin results in a softer and finer product. To use it, dissolve the sunflower lecithin in the liquid ingredients and prepare as usual. You can add more or reduce the amount of sunflower lecithin to achieve your desired texture and taste. Crystal Sunflower Lecithin is a great addition to your kitchen. And since it is from Crystal Brands, you can always count on its quality and your satisfaction. Crystal Brands offers its sunflower lecithin in 3 convenient sizes: 2 ounces, 8 ounces, and 14 ounces. It is also gluten-free, vegan, and kosher certified.